Hello guys, let's understand the classic banana camel problem. So we got 3000 bananas and we want to move them to a distance of 1000 kilometers, and the camel can carry up to 1000 bananas at a single time, and this is the rate at which the camel eats a banana. So for each kilometer he travels, he eats one banana. So before we get started, I want you all to get to understand about this thing. So initially, if we have 3000 bananas and we move this we move 1000 bananas here with the camel, he will eat one banana. So right now we are left with 2000 bananas in this point, and he comes back, he eats one more banana. Now he carries the other 1000, he goes back here. While going back, he'll eat one more banana, and now we have 2000 bananas here. He'll come back again for the rest 1000 bananas which are left. While coming back, he'll eat one more banana, and we are left with 0 bananas here. He'll go back again, and we have 3000 bananas in the other position, and while going back, he'll eat one more banana. So we got 1 2 3 4 5. So he ate 5 banana, and this movement was for 1 kilometer. So he ate 5 bananas per kilometer when he tried to move a load of 3000 bananas. Let's see when he had 2000 bananas. So he'll go to the other location with 1000 bananas. He ate one banana. Here only 1000 bananas were left. He came back, he ate one more banana. He took the entire load, he went back again. Now we have 2000 bananas here, and we can see there were 3 iterations. So this time he ate 3 banana per kilometer when the load was 2000. And let's say if it was only 1000 bananas, he doesn't have to come back, he can just go in one stretch, and there was 1 banana per kilometer. So we can see as the load reduces, the rate of having the banana is also reducing. Okay, so when initially we started with 3000 bananas, and when the bananas reduced to 2000, let's see how much distance the camel traveled. So there's a difference of 1000 bananas, which we write it here, and when the load was 3000, we have already calculated that the rate was 5 bananas per kilometer. So we will divide this 1000 with 5, which gives us 200 kilometers. So while moving 3000 bananas and we were left with 2000 bananas, we traveled a distance of 200 kilometers. Let's see what happens when we calculate for 2000 to 1000. So again the difference is 1000 here, and the rate which we calculated is 3 bananas per kilometer, which gives us 333 kilometers. So right now we are left with 1000 bananas which are not yet eaten, and we have traveled a distance of 200 plus 333, which we add here. 200 plus 333, which gives us 533. So this much kilometers distance we have traveled, and in total we want to travel a distance of 1000 kilometers. So we just subtract it, and we get 467 kilometers. So this much distance is yet to be traveled, and we are left with these many bananas, and this is the distance left. So now we'll calculate. Right now the load is only 1000 bananas, and when the load was 1000 bananas, our rate was having 1 banana per kilometer, because we are not doing any to and fro movement here. So the distance is 467, and 467 kilometers we have to travel further to reach our location. So we just subtract it from the 1000, and we get here 533. So this is the number of bananas we are left with. We started with 3000, and we are left with 533 bananas on the end position. So for this problem there could be multiple ways. This was the one you can consider, and please let me know in the comment section if you found anything confusing. I can help you all with that, and please like and subscribe for more such videos. See you all in the next one.